Hi mga taga-Palawan ako. Ngayon pag-uusapan natin ang pinakabago at exciting na update mula sa Facebook na tiyak na makakatulong sa mga content creators katulad natin. Sa programang ito, mas madali nang kumita ang mga content creators mula sa iba't ibang uri ng content katulad ng videos, reels at maging mga larawan at text posts. So, tingnan natin dito sa bagong update ni YouTube. Okay, dito sa monetization, ah, o bago lang ito siya, October 2, 2024. So, ito po yung mga takeaways. Monetize more content with Facebook's new Streamline program. Ito po yung mga takeaways from that. So, we're rolling out Facebook content monetization beta, which merges in-stream ads on Reels, and the performance bonuses into a single monetization program, making it easier for creators to earn from more content formats. Creators can join Facebook content monetization to earn from Reels, longer videos, photos, and text posts. So, mas maganda kasi sa hinila. Sabi po dito, today we're rolling out a Facebook content monetization beta, a new monetization program that expands opportunities for creators to earn from more content formats. The Facebook content monetization merges our three existing Facebook-funded creator monetization programs, in-stream ads on Reels, and the performance bonus into a single program that pays creators for Reels, longer videos, photos, and text posts. So, ang sabi po sa bagong update, ang Facebook content monetization daw po ay pinagsama-sama ang iba't ibang paraan ng pagkita tulad ng stream ads on Reels at performance bonuses sa isang sistema. Sa pamamagitan nito, mas madali ng kumita mula sa mga content tulad ng Reels, mahabang videos, larawan at text post. Hindi mo na kailangan mag-sign up para sa iba't ibang programa. So, isang proseso na lang ang kailangan para i-monetize ang lahat ng inyong mga content formats. Creators have been earning on Facebook for years. Since we announced Facebook funded monetization in 2017, more than 4 million content creators have earned money on Facebook. As we've expanded from just providing monetization for longer videos to also include reels and posts, overall payouts have grown. In the past year, Facebook has paid content creators more than $2 billion for videos, reels, photo, and text posts. During the time, payouts for reels and short videos have grown more than 80%. So sabi po dito, ang mga creator ay maaari na rin kumita ang kanilang performance at kita sa isang mas pinadaling dashboard. So ayon do sa Facebook, simula noong 2017, higit sa 4 na milyong creators na ang kumita mula sa platform at patuloy silang pinapalawak ang kanilang mga oportunidad para sa mga creators. So, ang mga payout para sa reels at short videos ay lumago ng higit sa 80% or 80% sa nakaraang taon. So sa update na ito daw, inaasahan na mas maraming creators ang magiging eligible para kumita sa iba't ibang format ng content. Now it's simpler, sabi dito, it's simpler to earn from more content types. So we're proud of how our monetization programs have helped creators thrive on Facebook. But we know that the different availability, eligibility requirements, and sign-up processes of our various programs have resulted in some creators missing opportunities and others not being resulted in some creators missing opportunities and others not being ano ba yan, eligible to earn from all available formats. And the data backs this up. Today, only about one third of monetizing creators on Facebook earn from more than one Facebook funded program. So with Facebook content monetization, creators will only have to join one monetization program. So isa na lang. So you don't have to apply all this program. So from there, they can monetize multiple formats and track their performance with one set of insights, making it easier than ever to earn money across our range of available content formats. Sabi daw dito, our payout model isn't changing. So, hindi naman po nagbago. Facebook content monetization is built on the same performance-based payout model that powers ads on Reels, stream ads, and a performance bonus, just like those programs, your earnings on Facebook content monetization are tied to how your eligible content performs. So if you've been successful with ads and reels, that should continue in content monetization. But now you also can earn from eligible longer videos, photos, and text posts if you had. So who's eligible? So sino ang eligible to monetize? Who's eligible for the monetization? Beta. So, this week starting to send invitation to 1 million creators already monetizing on Facebook to join the beta. And we'll continue sending more invitations in the following months. So invited creators can join from monetization tab on the professional dashboard on mobile or beta business suite on desktop. So yun na po yung aantayin. This month daw, they will be sending invitation. So ito po yung invitation. You're invited. Sign up for content monetization. So ito po yung aantay ng mga content creators. So, maraming salamat mga ka-taga-Palawan ko. Hanggang sa susunod na update. So, sa tingin ko, ang update na ito ay isang malaking hakbang para sa mga creators. So, pagkakaroon ng mas madaling paraan upang kumita ay tiyak na makakatulong sa ating lahat na mas mapabuti ang. So, yun lamang po. Maraming salamat.